this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. Okay guys, so today I am so very super excited because I am participating in the Hop Around the House collaboration hosted by Nicole Northgarden of Nicole Northgarden Home and Garden channel. Hi Nicole, thank you so much for hosting this collaboration. Guys, as you know, I have participated in this collab previously, actually a few times already, and so I was excited to join in again this time. So the way this collab works is after you're done watching my video, you will go down to my description box and click on the link to hop over to the next video. And then you'll watch their video, go to their description box, click the link to watch the next video, and you'll hop along like that around through each one of our homes so that you can get lots of ideas and inspiration on how to clean and decorate your home for the spring. Alrighty guys, now as you can see, I'm standing in my entryway, so this is the space that I will be cleaning and decorating for the spring. So if you're interested in seeing how my look comes together, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so before we get started, I wanted to show you around the entryway so you can see I still have everything decorated for the winter. I did do a winter white look, and I added in those forsythia branches. They have to go, they've died. And here's the other half of the entryway. So I'm just showing you guys all around before we go ahead and get started decorating. But first we have to clean the space. So I'm going to remove all of the items that you see here and replace everything. So I'm just going to take a few minutes to move everything out, and then we'll get started cleaning. Now here I'm using my favorite furniture polish to clean off the entryway table. And guys, I have to say it was quite dirty because that forsythia had dropped little bits all over the table, so I really needed to give it a good cleaning. And I'm also going to go ahead and clean behind the table. I want to sweep off the baseboards and make sure we get everything there. I will vacuum as well, but I like to first go along the baseboards and sweep them off and get all the little dust bunnies out of the corners and everything, then vacuum after that. And now I'm removing the other items from the other half of the room so that everything will be out of the way, and we'll start with a clean slate. And now it's time to vacuum. So I'm going to vacuum the floors and the rug here just to get all of the debris and everything that's up. And after vacuuming, of course, we'll go ahead and mop the entryway floor. I'm using my Swiffer. I love this little guy, and the sheets smell so good. It gives a nice fresh scent. Now I'm going to add in decor pieces, and I picked up these lamps at Ross. I showed them in one of my recent decor hauls. I will link that video in the iCards above or the description box down below. But I thought I was going to use these in my living room, but I decided to use them in the entryway, and they are absolutely perfect on this table. Now I'm bringing in some new chairs. These are actually chairs that I've had for a long time, but I'm putting them here in the entryway just to brighten things up a bit instead of those darker gray chairs. And I'm adding in some white pillows as well. Now for the entryway table, I'm going to add in some white florals. These are absolutely gorgeous, and I'm just cutting the stems off or the tags off and adjusting the stems to fit inside this large vase. Now you can use as many as you want. It looks very pretty with just those two if you want a really simple look, but I think I'm going to add 6 of them to this vase because I want a really full look with these white flowers. Now for the bottom shelf, I have this little basket and a department store bag that I'm just going to fill it in with so that I can add these florals on top. That is a kind of like a vine that I picked up actually from Burlington's, which was a great price. And now I'm adding in these candlesticks that I've had for many years. But I decided to remove that basket of florals and add in my ginger jar instead. I wanted a more clean look. Now here I'm showing you guys I'm using a flower pot as a base to put another flower pot on top of it. I wanted to have it raised up a bit, and I thought this would be the perfect solution, and it looks more like a sculptural piece as opposed to a plant sitting on a plant stand. I think it looks really pretty like that. Okay guys, and here is the completed made-over space. I think this looks really nice. I'm really happy with how it looks. As I mentioned before, I am doing neutrals, and I know that I had white for winter, but I think this gives a more spring vibe, even though it's still very neutral. So yes, I'm really happy with how everything came together. And then let me bring you guys in for a closer look here. I didn't show how I put the shelf together, partially because I kept it very simple. So I only added a few handbags there. And if you guys are not familiar, I did show a while back my Teddy Blake handbag here. It is absolutely gorgeous. If you guys want one for yourself, I will have the details in my description box down below for you to check it out and to get a discount, right? That's always nice. Mother's Day is coming up. And I paired it with another handbag there and just a simple wooden planter on top. I was thinking about adding a garden ball there, but I love just a natural look. So I think this white vase rounds out that corner, and my absolutely gorgeous new plant is so very pretty. Her name is Lyra. She is a Schiffelera. And I will do a separate video because I did recently become a plant parent, so I have a few other new plants that I want to share with you guys. So be sure to check back on the channel for that video coming up very soon. But you can see she's perfect in our entryway there. And I did bring in these neutral slipper chairs. I've always had those, but I replaced the gray ones that was here with this linen color just to brighten things up even a little bit more. And I think it looks really nice with everything here. So yeah, I'm just panning around so you guys can see the full look. I did also include a couple of white round pillows just to continue on with the white theme throughout, to give it more of that fresh vibe. The other white pillows I had before for winter were fur, so these are more like a pleated fabric, so it's more appropriate for spring. And of course, the focal point, these beautiful white flowers in this glass vase, I think look so sculptural and just absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, I'm really happy with how this look came together. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. Also guys, what helps me out is when you leave comments. So leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think about my entryway space. I think it looks very pretty and it's very inviting. Normally I would do lots of pastels and pretty colors for the spring, but this year I'm keeping things very neutral. And who knows, I may add a few little touches here or there as we go along just for my little guy, but we'll see how that goes. So leave me a comment down below to let me know if you're using neutrals for your spring decor this year, or if you're using some of the more traditional spring colors. You guys know I love colors, but I'm just keeping things fairly neutral and simple this year. Okay, so again, let me say a huge thank you so much to Nicole for hosting this hop around the house. Again, be sure to check my description box below so that you'll have the next video to hop over to check out their space that they have cleaned or decorated. Also, again, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.